Welcome everyone to this explainer. I am so thrilled you're joining me today because we're breaking down 7 practical, truly beginner-friendly AI side hustles that can actually make you money in 2026. Make sure to stick around until the end because I've saved the absolute most scalable, highly profitable side hustle for the very last slide.
Okay, let's dive right into this. What if I told you that right this very minute, regular people are using AI to earn extra money every single month without ever quitting their full-time jobs? It completely challenges our traditional ideas about what it takes to start an online business, doesn't it? You don't need a massive upfront investment anymore, and you certainly don't need decades of tech experience to get started. The barrier to entry, it's practically vanished.
Listen, I want to ground this whole explainer in reality from the jump. We're targeting a very realistic extra 500 to 1,000 bucks a month to begin with. That represents steady, manageable growth. There are absolutely no unrealistic income promises or, get-rich-quick schemes here. We're looking at highly practical steps for beginners. And hitting that $500 to $1,000 mark, it's incredibly achievable when you know how to leverage the right tools.
Section 1. The AI Income Shift. How technology is changing the way we earn.
And this brilliantly illustrates the massive global shift we're living through right now. On one hand, yeah, traditional jobs are rapidly being automated, which sounds a bit scary, I know, but on the flip side, we're seeing a huge emergence of new AI opportunities that are explicitly beginner-friendly and accessible. So while certain traditional doors are definitely closing, a whole new, much wider digital doorway is opening up for literally anyone willing to learn the basics. Section 2. Content and freelance services. Hustles number 1 and 2. Let's kick things off with hustle number 1, AI content creation. Right now, smart creators are using AI tools like ChatGPT or Claude to rapidly write blogs, build out entire social media content calendars, and even outline videos for clients. Then we've got hustle number 2, AI-powered freelancing. This is where freelancers are utilizing platforms to deliver services like copywriting or using tools like Midjourney for graphic design, just significantly faster than they ever could manually. It's wild. You can actually take on twice the clients in half the time. Now, these freelance tools are great for hitting your income goals quickly, but wait until you see how AI can actually help you create permanent digital assets. Section 3. Faceless channels and digital products. Hustles number 3 and 4. Let's move to and see how this builds with hustle number 3, AI faceless YouTube channels. Look at how beginner-friendly this process is. Step 1. AI generates a highly engaging script. Step 2, AI creates a lifelike voiceover using tools like 11 Labs. And Step 3, AI makes a high click-through thumbnail. It's this incredibly streamlined process that opens up massive avenues for YouTube ad monetization and affiliate income, all without you ever having to step in front of a camera. It's absolutely perfect if you're a bit camera shy. Then we have hustle number 4, which is AI digital products. We're talking about selling highly targeted AI prompts, digital templates, or even custom fitness and meal planners. The magic word here is passive income. You see, you create the digital asset once using AI, you set up an online storefront, and then you just sell that exact same file infinitely online. It is the ultimate motivational business model. You build it once and you get paid repeatedly. Section 4. Chatbots and affiliate marketing. Hustles number 5 and 6. Now, what's really interesting about this is just how desperate small businesses everywhere are for customer service help. And the process to solve this for them is shockingly simple. Step 1, you find local small businesses in your area. Step 2, you learn basic AI chatbot setup, which you can easily do using drag-and-drop, no-code tools like ManyChat. Step 3, you offer that setup as a paid service. You're jumping in and solving a real, painful customer service problem for a business owner, and trust me, they will gladly pay you for that relief. Next up is hustle number 6, AI affiliate marketing. You can simply create content promoting the AI tools you already use every single day. By showing people how to get results with a specific AI software, you naturally attract targeted buyers. And when they sign up using your affiliate link, you earn a commission. It's a fantastic, low-overhead model that scales beautifully with the content you create. Okay, we've covered 6 incredible hustles so far, but the next opportunity is where things get really interesting. I promised you the biggest, most exciting opportunity for last, and this is going to completely change how you view online business. Section 5, the ultimate AI agency. Hustle number 7, the most profitable opportunity. So the crucial point is that an AI automation agency is a B2B or business-to-business service. Companies will actually pay you premium rates to use AI to automate their most time-consuming operations. We're talking about automating their 24/7 customer support, capturing their leads, and handling their calendar scheduling. Businesses are incredibly happy to pay you thousands of dollars if you can come in and save them time and money using these AI systems. The true power of this model really comes down to contrast. Think about standard side hustles. You're usually trading your time for a flat rate. You work an hour, you get paid for an hour. But an AI automation agency is built on highly scalable B2B systems. You build an automation system for a client one time, and it works for them around the clock. This is the absolute pinnacle of our list today because it offers unmatched scalability and profit margins. Section 6. Start your hustle today. Taking action in 2026.
Let's look at the full board one last time here. 1. Content creation. 2. AI freelancing. 3. Faceless YouTube. 4. Digital products. 5. Chatbots. 6. Affiliate marketing. And 7. The AI agency. Every single one of these represents a completely different path to financial freedom. And remember, you don't need to do all 7. The real secret to winning here is to choose just one of these lanes today and fully commit to mastering it. So I'm going to leave you with this final important question. Which AI side hustle will you start first? The tools are available, the barrier to entry is gone, but the opportunity is entirely yours to design. You just have to take that first step. Let me know in the comments below which path you're going to pursue. Thank you so much for learning with me in this explainer today, and I absolutely cannot wait to see what you build in 2026.